рыба, был, лыжи. Today I'll teach you to pronounce the Russian sound E. So, the sound Y. I'll tell you about 3 tricks today. A smile, a toothbrush, and stabbing yourself. You should totally stick around for that. Okay, first, a smile. We're going to go from U to Y. When you pronounce the sound U, your tongue is actually positioned the way it should be when you say Y. So that's why all you need to do is say the long U and then start stretching your lips to a broad smile. And you'll have Y. Let's try that. And pay attention to the way your tongue is positioned. You need to remember that. You need to develop the muscle memory. Let's try another trick. Using a toothbrush. This time we're going to go from E to Y. The fact is that E is pronounced in front of your mouth, somewhere here. And Y is pronounced far back. So, our job is to push our tongue a little back. And that's where the toothbrush comes. We're going to use it to push our tongue backwards. We're going to press here and push our tongue a little backwards. So we start saying long E, then push our tongue back, and we'll have Y. Just push a little, not too much. But when you pronounce Y, your mouth should not be open too much. That's why when you push your tongue back using the toothbrush, when you take it out, close your mouth a little narrower. And finally, stabbing yourself. Well, of course, you should pretend, not do it actually. This is a wooden knife. It's not sharp at all. Anyway, imagine that you have committed some grave dishonor to your family and you are about to commit seppuku, basically stab yourself. Pretend that you are holding a dagger and stab yourself in the guts. Well, pretend to do that. And in the moment of stabbing, you produce this guttural sound. That's the sound. Quite many Americans told me that this trick helped them. I hope that it'll help you. I'll be waiting for your feedback. Let me know how it goes. So try smiling. Using your toothbrush. Or even stabbing yourself. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to continue studying Russian and English with me. I hope to see you soon. Happy Russian and English practice. Bye!